So the ingredients required to make it are prawns 1 kg, maida, corn flour, finely chopped ginger and garlic, green chili tree, red chili 1 egg, coriander and curry leaves, ajinomoto, white pepper powder, black pepper, salt, chili powder, turmeric, lemon juice, soya sauce and vinegar. So now firstly we'll be needing to season the prawns. Firstly we'll be taking the prawns, washing them and keeping them. So then we'll be taking some ginger garlic paste and we'll be adding some salt to taste. And then we'll be taking 1 tablespoon of chili powder. So after taking the salt, we'll be taking 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And then 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Then we'll be taking a pinch of ajinomoto salt. Then we'll be taking 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder. So all the quantities I'm telling are in tablespoons, except salt is according to taste and ajinomoto as well. So we'll be taking 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder, and then we'll be taking the maida, then the corn flour we'll be taking it. So this is like a half to a 3/4 cup which I am taking in maida and corn flour. So then finally for the seasoning we'll be taking an egg. So this egg makes it taste very nice. So after adding all these ingredients into the prawns which we had washed, we'll be mixing it well and see that the prawns are set in a paste way and not too thick or thin. So we'll be needing to mix it well so that all the prawns get coated. So in this we are taking the corn flour for the crispiness. So corn flour generally gives it a crispy coating, and maida is for binding of the paste to the prawns, so that the prawns, the binding of this is properly done. So now our batter will be in such a consistency. So next, to fry, we'll be taking a pan and putting in some oil. So this is basically needed for a deep fry. So we'll be taking a lot of quantity of an oil. So I'm taking around so much oil. Then we'll be using this and we'll be frying so that the prawns get submerged and they get a crispiness, so that then they'll be nice and seasoned at the last. So now I have taken my pan with some oil in it. So then let the oil heat in a very lot. Then we'll be putting in the prawns one by one. So when we take it one after another, we'll be getting a crispy flavor and those do not stick to each other. So after we will be taking all our prawns one by one, we should make sure that they fry in a golden brown color. So right now I'm taking in my prawns. So right now they're frying around a minute also, and they have got fried up a bit, which is still not enough. So they're just in a brownish shade. So now they're in a golden brownish shade, which means we can take it off in a minute. So that's the shade which we need to get. So right now mine are fried completely with the golden brown crisp shade, and it starts to get a nice aroma, and it indicates that it's ready to take it off. So I am taking a plate with a tissue paper so that the excess oil get absorbed, and now I'm taking them into my plate. So after we take all of them into a plate, we are going to make a mixture, so which will be use it to make our seasoning. So to prepare this garnishing mixture, we'll be needing 1 red chili, 1 green chili, coriander and curry leaves. So I have blended them in, and then I'm taking some chili and some garlic along with some ginger. So now I'm adding in some curry leaves as well and giving it a stir so that they roast. So I have taken a little bit oil, so because they have already got deep fried, and now I'm just roasting them a little bit for a minute or two. So I've done roasting it, And now I'm going to add the paste which I had prepared. So before that we'll be adding some turmeric, and also we'll be adding some chili powder, a pinch of salt. So already we have the salt and we are also going to add it. So now we'll be adding in our mixture which I had grinded before. So now after we just stir it for once or twice and the mixture gets fried a bit, we'll be adding in some sauce for the seasoning. So we are going to add in some vinegar and soya sauce. So you can also reduce the salt if you think, because the soya sauce already has some salt in it. So right now I'm adding a little bit of soya sauce just to garnish and to get a flavor. And next I'm going to add the vinegar and mix it so well so that everything combines good and it's like a semi-paste and semi-solid so that it gets to prawn. Okay, right now I'm putting in some vinegar, so very little will be enough because vinegar and as well as soy sauce have that salty flavor and it just is used for garnishing but nothing else. Okay, so now after we are adding it in, so give it a nice good stir and now put in all the prawn which I had deep fried before. So now after putting it in, give it a nice good stir and make sure that the mixture combines. And stir it gently so that the outer covering, the mixture which I had fried will not come off. So give it a gentle stir and make sure everything combines well so that it gets garnished by this. So be a little gentle on the prawns. So now toss it and fry it a bit. So after you have mix it up well like this, add in some coriander and start tossing and frying it. So this tossing and frying gives it a nice good taste as well. So I have fried mine a few times and now for the final product to get ready. So now our loose prawns is ready. So in such a simple manner, in about 1 hour we get it ready and the taste is just like a restaurant style. The aroma always fills up the room. So do try it out and post it down in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed our video and do try it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to Lullaby. Bye!